Hello friends, welcome to my channel Computer Succeed. In this video we are going to discuss about application of computer. Applications of computer. Computers has become an integral part of our everyday life. It is very difficult to imagine a world without them. In almost every field of activity, computers are being increasingly used, thus causing many, if not all, tedious tasks to be automated. Let us now look at some important areas of application of computers to understand the extent of computerization of the globe. Organizational management, education, communication, medicine and healthcare, banking, ticket reservation, law enforcement, forensic science, scientific research, weather forecasting, computer simulation, filmmaking. Organizational management. An organization, whether small and large, performs a variety of functions. Office automations help it to discharge these functions effectively and efficiently. Typically, an organization is involved in the following tasks. First is production. In production, computers are used to maintain a check on the quality of the goods produced. Second, sales. The production plans of an organization are always based on its previous sale performances. Third is financial management. Every organization has limited financial resources that must be utilized in a planned way. Computers help organizations to prepare budget and track and monitor the expenses of an organization. Personal management. Computers by managing a data of the employees of organization, their qualification and performances. Now we know the use of computers in the education system. Computers are being increasingly used to impact knowledge on a variety of topics in a systematic manner. Computer-based learning (CBL) facilitate interactive learning sessions and break the monotony of classroom teaching. It also allows a student to learn and simulate knowledge at a pace suited to him and her. Moreover, with the growth of the internet, extensive information of any topic has become easily accessible. The use of computers in the communication. Computers can be effectively used for communicating with different parts of the world. The growing popularity of the internet proves this point. Electronic mail has more or less replaced the traditional method of communication, letters, telegram, etc. In the field of medicine, computers are used for diagnosing illness, monitoring patient, curing ailments, surgery, etc. They track and monitor the condition of patient and provide vital information that helps doctor to decide on the best possible course of treatment. They also play an important role in major surgeries. Use of computers in the field of banking is widespread. Computerization of banking has connected different branches of a bank in around the country. ATM is a result of the computerization of banking. ATM is a facility that allows a customer of a bank to withdraw money from any ATM center of the bank. Use of computers in the field of ticket reservation. Ticket reservation is yet another area that makes extensive use of computers. Powerful computers called servers hold information about train and flights such as train and flight's number, their source and destination point, their total seat capability and seat availability, etc. These details are accessed by the terminal place at the reservation center and tickets are booked accordingly. Law enforcement forensic science. The scientific study of crime is a field where computers play an important role. Computers help simulate certain events or crimes and achieve at crucial conclusions. The networking of police stations across the world, the police force to maintain law and order in the better manner by exchanging information on criminals and their movements. Use of the computer in the field of scientific research. Computers play a crucial role in testing, launching, and monitoring satellites in the orbit. Computers are also used to design missiles and to set the time and direction for a missile launch. Weather forecasting. Computers play an important role in analyzing large quantities of data about the weather condition in different parts of the world beamed by satellites. The weather is forecast for a day, week, fortnight, or a month by a meteorological departments the world over. Such forecasts allow preventive steps to be taken against natural disasters like cyclones, thunderstorms, flood, etc. Computer simulation. Computers find widespread use in the field of simulation. Simulations refer to technique using which an environment similar to a real-life situation is created artificially. The need for simulation raises the testing performance of nuclear weapons, training pilots, astronauts, etc., where real-life experiments were not feasible. Use of computers in the field of filmmaking. Science fiction movies like Jurassic Park, Godzilla, etc. have made use of computer animation extensively. Computers have been instrumental in creating the special effects used in these movies. Computers are also used in cartoon films to create animation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and share. To get more information, visit our website which is given in the description box.